Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babuwenje. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification. So anytime, any day, any hour, I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. In today's video, I want to show you one leaf, just a single leaf that you can use to remove negative energy from your body. If you know that someone has placed black magic on your body and you believe that this thing is disturbing your life, both physically and spiritually, there is one particular leaf, and it's very, very common. It's very, very common. You can get it anywhere. In fact, it's in your compound. The leaf is I want to talk about today. Are you with me? You need your early morning urine and this leaf. Your early morning urine and this leaf. That's all. And this is the leaf I was talking about. It's very common everywhere, unless you don't know it. Are you with me? When you check my previous video, I talk about this leaf and people testify to it with their good testimony. And I believe when you apply this simple method, you will surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective. So the name of this leaf is bitter leaf. Is what? Bitter leaf. And how are you going to use this bitter leaf to remove negative energy from your life? Are you with me? To remove negative energy from your life. You are having a bad dream. You always eat in your dream. You have body odor, or you have a trace. You believe that someone has placed a trace in your body. You understand? Are you with me? You know, I told you, a trace is a part of meat in your body. With this leaf, if you follow this simple instruction, by the grace of Almighty God, you will surely share me a good testimony. How to do it and how to use it. You need fresh of this leaf. Fresh one. Are you with me? And if you can't get the fresh one, you can use any one, but don't use dried one. What are you going to do with this leaf? You need just 16 pieces of this leaf. Either the one with O or without O. You need 16 pieces. Are you with me? You are going to put this leaf in a plastic rubber. Immediately you wake up, early in the morning. If you woke up around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, your urine is useless. But if you woke up around 4, 4:30, 5, 6, collect your urine on top of the leaf. Are you with me? You are going to squeeze it with your hand. Do not ask anybody to do it for you. Squeeze it with your hand. Then stir it. The leaf, the remaining leaf, throw it away. You don't have anything to do with it. Then add a pinch of salt to it. My brother, that's all. What are you going to do with this urine? You are going to use it either for 3 days, depend on you, or for 4 days, for 7 days, depend on you. But I will advise you to use it for 7 days. You can use it in the morning. You can use it at night, but you cannot use it 2 times in a day. Take this water, this your urine and bitter leaf, apply it all over your body. 10 minutes before you go to your bedroom. Use any soap of your choice. Use sponge to beat it. That's all. After you apply it, 10 minutes before you go to bedroom, you can use warm water, any soap of your choice. You understand? Use sponge to wash it away. My brother, by the grace of Almighty God, disappointment will end. The negative energy that disturbing you physically, God is going to end it by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. Before you turn off, before you scroll up, let me to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkú.